I want to show you guys how to do infinite scrolling when it comes to newer devices like the S8 and S9 because quite a few of my friends were asking me about this. Like, there doesn't seem to be any way. Look at that. When you swipe to the left, it just it opens up Bixby. Bixby, by the way, is just the most useless. I don't even know what it's there for. But yeah, there doesn't seem to be infinite scrolling. Especially when you do this and you put, like, let's take this for example. Whoops, that happened there. Yeah, like you could do this and stuff. Put this here, but then there just doesn't seem to be a way of. You see, I'm not able to do that anyway. So yeah, how do you do infinite scrolling? I even Googled this, you guys. Let me just show you. Yeah, so I came across some forums on the internet. I Googled this because, like, I had problems with it myself because in my older phones, infinite scrolling is something that I had and that I felt was really important, really useful when it just comes to operating the phone. So I was pretty shocked when I got the S8 and it didn't have infinite scrolling. This phone that I'm recording on right now is the S9, by the way. I was just looking at some forums. There doesn't seem to be anything. So anyway, wait, let me just get rid of this screen right here. Oh, when you go to home screen settings, and there doesn't seem to be anything here which allows you to do infinite scrolling. So this is the solution that I found, and this to me is brilliant. This works brilliantly. So you need an app called CM Launcher. This is what you need. So this app right here is a launcher. It's a really great launcher. 100 million downloads. If you look down here, oh, it doesn't show you here, but it's quite lightweight compared to many other launchers out there. But yeah, you need to install this one. Right? Let me just open it up. I've already installed it. So this is what it looks like for me. Set. Oh dear. I'm sorry about that. Hang on a minute. Right, set this as the default launcher. So now CM is my default launcher. And then now let me show you. Boom, look at that. Did you see that, you guys? I just managed to infinite scroll like this. You can just, whoops. Look at me, infinite scrolling any direction I want. And how do you do that on CM is this. You have to press and hold the screen, go to CM settings right here. And then, where is it? Not there, sorry, hang on a minute. I can't remember where it is. Yes, here it is. So you have to go to display settings and turn on screen looping right there. And that's basically it. So I actually, maybe I'm missing something, but I actually downloaded many other launchers on the Play Store in an attempt to find this looping ability. but I couldn't find it. It's like this is the only one which offers that ability. Anyway, um, so I went to the New Year's Eve London fireworks, you guys, and it was just absolutely epic. And the reason is just obviously the fireworks are brilliant, but the people around you, the energy, being around that energy, there's like this really excited yet slightly emotional energy in the crowd, which is just incredible. And then in the last 60 seconds, they do like a countdown. They go 10, 9, 8, 7, and then it gets to midnight on the dot, and it's like boom, the fireworks start instantly, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful thing. So this event sold out like really fast. Like it just sold out instantly, almost as soon as the tickets came out. And I didn't really get the best area. I got the red area. I would have liked somewhere better where I would get a better view. But anyway, it was still amazing. It still made me really happy to watch it. Yeah, I mean, 2018 was just a really good year for me, you guys, in so many ways. It's like personally, professionally, in many ways, 2018 was a really good year for me. I hope that 2019 will be an even better year for me. So, yeah, I wish you all a happy new year. Obviously, I didn't upload on my channel for ages now. And I hope you like my wallpaper right here. It's a really nice Hindu goddess artwork wallpaper, which was drawn by this person, I think, on Instagram. Well, that's where I got it from anyway. And I just love it so much that I had to keep it as my wallpaper. Look at what it says. It says, I know that it's not possible for the dark forces to have any kind of ultimate victory. Isn't that a lovely, as if the picture itself isn't beautiful enough. They just wrote the perfect thing. I just really like that. I'm thinking of doing some more cliffhanger videos. It's like these scary chat story app. Very addictive, very, very, very gripping. And I used to upload them onto my channel, and those videos used to get a lot of views on my channel. So yeah, I mean, I might continue doing that because it's a fun thing to do.